stuck in the tree. Shake, shake, shake.
Aha!
Yeah, poke it out. You can do it. Yeah! Good job, Bon Bon.
Okay.
Vroom, vroom. Put the watermelon in the back. Good job.
Okay.
Bon Bon's so strong.
Okay.
Time to go. Look. There's another one.